beautiful morning. Time to plow the beet field today. La la la, gonna plow the field today. Good morning, Big Red. Ready to work today. Up we go.
Okay, let's start her up.
Huh? That's strange. Huh? Come on, Big Red. You can do it! Oh no! Big Red won't start! What's wrong? I need to figure out what's wrong. Let me take a look.
Don't worry, Big Red. I'll fix you.
First, let me open the hood and look at the engine. Let me see. Engine, check. Wires, check. What could be wrong? Aha! Look at this! This wire came loose. That's why Big Red won't start.
I just need to connect this back. But I'll need my tools.
Time to get my toolbox. I can fix this. Now, where's my toolbox? There it is! My trusty toolbox. Let's see. And then for a loose wire, I'll need... pliers, there's to hold the wire. And tape to make sure it stays connected. All right, I have everything I need. Let's fix Big Red. Okay, Big Red, let's get you running again.
Up I go.
Okay, I need to connect this wire back to that socket. First, pliers to hold the wire steady. Almost there. Just push it in. Okay, it's connected. But I should tape it to make sure it stays. There! That should do it! Now let's see if Big Red will start.
Please work, please work, please work. Okay, moment of truth, moment of truth.
Here we go! It works! I fixed it! Big Red is running again! Good job, Big Red! I knew we could do it together!
Oh, I need to close the hood first.
Better put my tools away first. There. Tools all put away?
Now let's go plow that beet field.
Okay, Big Red, let's go to work. Here we go. Here we go. Good morning, chickens. I'm gonna plow the beet field. Hi, Daisy. Wish me luck. Here we are. This whole field needs to be plowed for the beets. Let's do this.
First, I need to attach the plow.
Good. Looking good. Nice and sharp for plowing. Easy. Easy! Almost there! Let me make sure this is secure. Yep, locked tight. All right, time to plow. This is a big field, but we can do it. Let's go, Big Red. Here we go! First row! Ah! Nice and straight! Nice and straight! Turn around, and back again. Whew. Hard work. But we're making progress. Almost there. Oh, just a little more, and done! Woohoo! We did it, Big Red! The whole field is plowed! I need to plant the beet seeds. Let me switch equipment. Unhitch the plow first. And now the seeder. Line it up. Line it up. Now to fill the hopper with beet seeds. Hopper full. Time to plant. Okay, Big Red. Let's plant some beets. Seeder activated! excited. Here we go! Looking good. Seeds going in perfectly. Last row. And all the seeds are planted.
The beet seeds are in the ground! But wait! They need water!
Time to give these seeds a nice string of water. There you go, little seeds. Drink up and grow big and strong. That should be enough water. Perfect!
What a good day's work!
I can't wait to see all the beautiful beets grow here. Time to head home. I'm so tired, but so happy. Come on, Big Red, let's go home. Here we are, Big Red, your parking spot. Great job today, Big Red. You worked so hard. Thank you. Oh, so tired. beets need a good wash. Time to wash all this dust off. Much better.
All that work made me so hungry.
Nice hot soup for dinner.
Delicious. Nothing like a good meal after hard work. That hit the spot. Time for bed. Good night, farm. Good night, beet field. Grow well. What a wonderful day. Wow! Look! The beets are growing! They sprouted! Hello, little beets! You're so beautiful! Keep growing big and strong!
We did it, Big Red! We fixed the tractor, plowed the field, planted the seeds, and now our beets are growing! What a team! Thank you for watching our farm adventure. Farming is hard work, but so rewarding. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!